Welcome to the Comm Systems channel, your trusted partner for secure, reliable, and high-performance communication networks. Today, we're discussing an important topic for every modern organization: how ensuring security for large bandwidth applications helps businesses comply with industry regulations and avoid legal penalties. As businesses rely more on digital communication, cloud storage, and high-speed data transfer, they also face greater responsibility to protect sensitive information from customer records to financial data. Large bandwidth applications like video conferencing, cloud services, and real-time data analytics move massive amounts of data every second. Without proper security, that data can become vulnerable to unauthorized access, cyber attacks, and data breaches. That's where regulatory compliance comes in. Industries such as healthcare, finance, and education must follow strict standards like HIPAA for patient data security, PCI-DSS for payment information, and GDPR or CCPA for consumer privacy. Failure to meet these requirements can lead to heavy fines, lawsuits, and damage to reputation. By securing large bandwidth applications through fiber optic cabling and advanced encryption, businesses can ensure that sensitive data is transmitted safely and remains protected from interference or interception. Fiber optic networks are immune to electromagnetic interference, offer low latency, and support encrypted communication channels, all of which are essential for meeting compliance standards and maintaining data integrity. At Comm Systems, we design and install secure, high-speed network infrastructures that not only enhance performance but also help organizations stay compliant with federal and industry regulations. We ensure proper network segmentation, reliable data transmission, and adherence to security best practices, giving businesses peace of mind and a strong compliance foundation. When your network is secure and compliant, you don't just avoid penalties, you build trust with clients, protect your brand, and position your business for long-term success. At Comm Systems, we help businesses stay connected, compliant, and confident in their network security. Contact us today to learn how we can strengthen your infrastructure with secure fiber optic solutions designed for compliance and performance. Call us at 888-501-5885 or visit us online at www.dvcsny.com. Like and subscribe for more expert insights on network security, compliance, and fiber optic technology from Comm Systems, your partner in connectivity and innovation.